This video is not a substitute for reading and following the information contained in the service manual. All service procedures should be performed by an appropriately trained and authorized service technician with the necessary certifications. Remove the drawers and bins from the freezer compartment. Remove the 2 Phillips screws fastening the drawer panel to the rails and remove the front panel. Should you discover the cables have become detached from the side rails, simply reseat them in their holders to resume proper functionality. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, crimp the holders as shown here to prevent the cables from falling out in the future. Repeat these steps on the other side. The proper orientation of the cables is as follows. The top cable at the rear attaches to the top rear holder. The front cable attaches at the top rear holder, goes around the pulley, and attaches at the bottom front. The bottom cable attaches at the bottom front and continues on to the back. Both sides have the same orientation. The cables cross in the rear of the cabinet.